Sorry about that. I had to switch batteries on the phone. So this is where I think I left you off. That is that upper junction connector, and that is coming in there from some water intrusion. And this is the car I was actually here the other day and could not seem to recreate the actual fault with it. Where is that water coming from is the question. Is it backed up coming out of the blower motor? No, it's above that. Do we have any drains up there? No, but we have the blower motor seal right here, right above it. So that's one guess. However, geez, I don't think I'm going to be able to get that on video for you. Let me see if I can. No, doesn't look that way. All right, there's a little water stain up there coming down. This vehicle does have a sunroof. But that drain doesn't go there. Wait a second. It's in there. Yes, it is. Were they playing around over here? That seal is split up here on the top. And that, let's see, water and wind. I think that's a possibility. That may be a possibility. Don't know, but I guess what we're gonna have to do is when the customer decides whether or not they want to fix this, because that's no easy fix, I guess we'll have to make a decision as far as what they're gonna do. I don't think spraying that out is gonna clean all that out. I see one of the terminals down there at the bottom. Oops, I'm sorry, I just realized you guys can't see it. Told you in the last video I wasn't gonna look through the viewfinder. And yeah, it looks like those terminals down there are, especially those ones in the bottom right hand corner, they're pretty well done. Yeah, I don't think there's anything left of them. Alright, so they'll have the option to do a bypass on it. It's an old truck, it's got plenty of miles on there, and something tells me the customer doesn't invest very much in the truck. So if you follow me on Facebook, I'm sure you'll remember that, because this is the car I walked by the other day and had to take a picture, because yeah. But anyhow, so communication lines, not always an actual communication fault. Again, everything that's you know, everything kind of comes together. It's all a bunch of puzzle pieces and you have to put them together. You know, when you have something like that and the voltage looks higher than it should be, start disconnecting modules and pay attention to that scope. All right, and if that voltage continues to go up, remember each one of those modules when they're plugged in has some little bit of resistance, and that's the end of that. And our neighbor here decided that they wanted to share the music with us, so I'm going to end the video here, and hope this helps somebody.